Hindi ko alam bakit nagkakaganito, nagpi-freeze. Some messages such as potential spam may not visible. Live chat. Ayan. Ria, thank you, Ria. Hindi ko alam bakit nag-i-steady to. Mukhang may problema na yung aking lag ba? Ayan. Thank you very much, Ria. So, hindi ko nakikita kung bakit nangyayari sa akin channel. 7 people in the house. Maraming salamat. Tingnan natin kung naka-steady. Ten people in the house. Maraming salamat po. Say hi. Hello, I'm here. Good night. Good night, good night. Thank you very much. I just don't know why it's like that. It's not Natural file. Please subscribe. Ayan. Thank you for coming. Hindi ko alam bakit naka-steady siya. I don't know why. I don't know how will I fix that. Hindi siya gumagalaw kasi, naka-steady lang siya. So, hindi ko na alam kung paano gagawin ko. Naka-steady lang. Ayan, thank you na lang.